Hi, this is Roxana here, and I'm going to plan on my teacher planner. Finally, I can use it. So this week I'm changing it up. If you want to see how I set it up, you can continue watching the video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now that I have the teacher planner, I still need to put my name here, but I have some decal names that I want to put in here, and I need to change some things since I'm using this. That's usually for, I think it's January. Yeah, it was January, and I changed it to July. I need to change the dates here. Okay, so I'm going to take them apart like this and leave the planner somewhere else. So this way we have the whole layout and it's easier to plan. For me, at least for me. I need to change the numbers here. So, and I need to change January. So equal this. Have you ever redated a planner? It's my first time doing it, and I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So, fingers crossed, everything's gonna be fine. So, I am using for this week, I am using this tiny sticker book. This sticker book that's has a whole bunch of stickers, the colorful boxes, and the seasonal type. I love this one, but I already have picked out some stickers that I am going to use, and these are the ones I'm using. So there was a hair, sorry. I'm using these ones for the days my kids, I need to know that they all leave school at different times, and sometimes I need to pick them up. So I am using these ones. And if you're wondering why they are for, it's because on Monday we have no class. So I'm using this sticker here, the no class sticker. And since I wanna cover up that I want to cover that. I'm using rainbows from the big book, the one that I showed you before. I really like the rainbows because it's freezing, and there are some days that are cold and some days that are not cold, but mostly it's either raining and cold, cloudy and cold, or sunny and cold. Hopefully it'll not stay that cold the whole time, because I tell you guys, I'm not a fan of winters. I am actually from Ecuador, and in Ecuador I am from the coast, so I don't the cold and we don't get along too much. So I'm gonna use this one and place it here. And I got this sticker that says new day, new start for this day, since we are again trying to go to school. Like, it's the third time during the school year that the kids are trying to go to school. So hopefully it'll be the last one, the last try. Like, I want them to go to school the whole rest of the year. They really have a lot of fun. My kids, they wake up, I don't know, they usually don't like to be they don't like to wake up to go to school, but right now they are thrilled they're going to school. I am alternating the blues, and I think it's kind of cute. I like it. And then I love this quote: beautiful minds inspire others. So I'm gonna place this one over here on this day. And I have a conference with one of my daughter's teachers this day. I need to keep up with what they're reading, so I'm gonna use the Monday, since we're not having class on Monday, and I'm gonna use it for my own purposes. That's what planners are for. You can use them for your own purposes. So I'm gonna use this reading sticker and the book sticker, and then I have these little ones that I really loved. Here. And we're gonna decorate that part of the here. And I have some pens and pencils that I liked, and we can place them over here. So this part over here, I still have some room here to work with the kids, and I'm going to use part of this. It's not exactly like that day I'm gonna do that thing, but for my things I'm gonna be using this sticker. Like, I am taking some classes and I need to remind myself to go and study, because I kind of forget that I'm studying. Like, I love what I'm studying because it's part of my career. Like, I'm updating myself on what I do, what I studied in school, in the university, and doing, like, updating myself. It's been so much fun because I studied marketing, and it has, let me tell you guys, it has changed a whole bunch since I started. I graduated from college, and right now things are completely, like, not completely, but most of the things are different, like really different. Okay, now we need to redate this, and we're gonna use a mild liner. And here this is the 28th. Sorry for my numbers, they're not as cute as I would like, but they are my numbers and this is my planner, so I like them. First and the second. And now this is July. And I'm gonna use, let me see if I can find the stickers. Yay, I have some stickers for the I have loose stickers that I can use, so but I don't know if I like that. Let me see. I think the wellness, this one has like watermarks that are really cute. Let me see. Yeah, kind of like this one's, but bigger. You might be yelling at me which book I'm supposed to find, but I'm gonna use this one, like this one. I know it's not the one I was actually looking for, but it'll cover up what I want and covers up Monday. And that's not fine, so I'm gonna cut it up. Hopefully it'll go straight. Yay. And I'm gonna save this for maybe something I'll probably do. I don't know. Okay. Now there we go. Let's hope it goes straight. And there it goes, kind of straight. I don't mind. Now we can use the June sticker. June. And then here is July. The July sticker. And I think I'm gonna do it beforehand for all of the pages, like this part, change the July part. I don't know, maybe. But that's it. I hope you like it. It's my first time trying a teacher layout. Hopefully it'll be great. It'll work as I hope it works. And let me know if you have anything you wanna tell me. If you like the video and wanna see more of my content, you can see there's the rest of my social media. It's in the description box. And if you wanna leave a comment, please be my guest. I'd love to read your comments. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.